Welcome to our guide on using artificial intelligence to uncover the lowest flight prices, even those hidden beyond Google Flights. In today's travel landscape, finding affordable airfare can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But with AI-powered tools and smart strategies, you can unlock deals that most travelers never see. We'll walk you through the process step by step, showing you how to leverage technology to maximize your savings. Whether you're planning a vacation, a business trip, or a spontaneous getaway, these techniques will help you stretch your travel budget further than ever before. Let's dive in and discover how AI can transform your flight search experience. Airlines and booking platforms often use dynamic pricing algorithms that adjust fares based on demand, browsing history, and even your location. This means the lowest prices aren't always visible on popular search engines like Google Flights. Sometimes, special deals are reserved for certain users or hidden behind layers of data. Understanding why prices are hidden is the first step to finding them. AI can help decode these patterns and reveal opportunities that manual searches miss. By tapping into advanced data analysis, you can uncover flight deals that are otherwise inaccessible. Let's explore how AI tools can break through these barriers. There are several AI-powered platforms designed to help travelers find the best flight deals. These tools analyze vast amounts of data from airlines, booking sites, and even social media to identify price drops and hidden offers. Some popular examples include Hopper, Skyscanner, and Kayak's AI features. By leveraging machine learning, these platforms can predict when prices will drop and alert you to the best times to book. We'll look at how these tools work and what makes them more effective than traditional search engines. Understanding their capabilities is key to unlocking hidden savings. While Google Flights is a powerful tool, it doesn't always show the lowest fares. AI-powered apps go beyond by searching lesser-known booking sites, monitoring flash sales, and even factoring in promo codes. They can simulate multiple user profiles and locations to uncover prices that Google Flights might miss. This approach gives you access to a wider range of deals and helps you avoid paying more than necessary. We'll demonstrate how to use these apps to expand your search and find hidden bargains. AI algorithms analyze historical flight data, current demand, and market trends to predict when prices are likely to drop. These predictions are based on patterns that humans might overlook, such as seasonal fluctuations, booking windows, and airline promotions. By subscribing to alerts from AI-powered platforms, you can be notified instantly when fares decrease. This proactive approach ensures you never miss out on a great deal. Let's see how these predictions work in practice and how you can use them to your advantage. To make the most of AI-powered flight search tools, set up personalized alerts for your preferred routes and dates. Most platforms allow you to customize notifications based on your budget, travel dates, and flexibility. When prices drop or hidden deals appear, you'll receive instant updates. This automation saves time and ensures you're always informed about the best offers. We'll guide you through the setup process and share tips for maximizing your alert effectiveness. Hopper is a popular app that uses AI to predict flight prices and recommend the best times to book. It scans millions of flight prices daily and provides color-coded calendars to highlight the cheapest dates. Hopper's AI also suggests alternative airports and routes to help you save even more. By following its recommendations, you can often find deals that aren't listed on Google Flights. Let's walk through how to use Hopper's features for maximum savings. Skyscanner uses AI to compare prices across hundreds of airlines and booking sites. Its flexible search options allow you to view the cheapest months, explore nearby airports, and even set price alerts. Skyscanner's AI can identify hidden deals by analyzing user behavior and market trends. By leveraging its features, you can uncover flight prices that aren't visible on mainstream platforms. We'll show you how to use Skyscanner's advanced search tools to find the best fares. Kayak incorporates AI to provide price forecasts, deal alerts, and personalized recommendations. Its price trend tool predicts whether fares will rise or fall, helping you decide when to book. Kayak also searches lesser-known booking sites and offers exclusive deals to app users. By using Kayak's AI features, you can access hidden prices and avoid overpaying for flights. We'll demonstrate how to use Kayak's tools for smarter flight searches. AI tools can simulate searches from different locations to reveal region-specific deals. Airlines sometimes offer lower prices to users in certain countries or cities. By using VPNs or AI-powered platforms, you can compare fares from multiple locations and find the best offers. This strategy is especially useful for international travel, where price differences can be significant. We'll explain how to simulate locations and why it matters for finding hidden prices. AI-powered platforms often suggest alternative airports that can offer cheaper fares. By expanding your search radius, you may find hidden deals at nearby airports. This flexibility can lead to significant savings, especially in major metropolitan areas with multiple airports. AI tools analyze travel times, transportation options, and price differences to recommend the best alternatives. We'll show you how to use this feature to uncover hidden flight prices. Searching with flexible dates is a powerful way to find hidden flight deals. AI tools can scan multiple date combinations and highlight the cheapest options. By being open to traveling a day or two earlier or later, you can unlock fares that aren't visible with fixed-date searches. This flexibility, combined with AI's data analysis, maximizes your chances of finding the lowest prices. We'll demonstrate how to set up flexible date searches for optimal results. Airlines occasionally launch flash sales that last only a few hours. AI-powered platforms monitor these events in real time and alert you when prices drop suddenly. By acting quickly, you can secure tickets at a fraction of the regular cost. Flash sales are often hidden from mainstream search engines, making AI alerts invaluable for catching these deals. We'll explain how to monitor flash sales and respond effectively. AI tools can scan the web for promo codes and special offers that reduce flight prices. By automatically applying these codes during booking, you can access discounts that aren't advertised on booking platforms. Some AI apps even track limited-time offers and exclusive deals for their users. This automation ensures you never miss out on extra savings. We'll show you how to use AI to find and apply promo codes for hidden discounts. Some airlines and booking sites announce exclusive deals on social media. AI-powered tools can monitor these channels and alert you to hidden offers. By tracking hashtags, posts, and announcements, AI ensures you're always in the loop. This strategy is especially useful for catching last-minute deals and flash sales. We'll explain how to use AI to monitor social media for hidden flight prices. AI algorithms analyze booking patterns to identify when airlines release hidden deals. By understanding peak booking times and demand fluctuations, AI can predict when prices are likely to drop. This insight helps you time your search for maximum savings. We'll discuss how booking pattern analysis works and how you can use it to find hidden flight prices. Booking flights for groups can be tricky, as prices often change based on the number of tickets purchased. AI tools can optimize group bookings by splitting reservations, searching for multiple fare classes, and identifying hidden group discounts. This approach ensures everyone gets the best possible price. We'll show you how AI can simplify group bookings and uncover hidden deals. Planning a multi-city trip can be complex, but AI tools simplify the process by finding the most cost-effective routes and combinations. These platforms analyze thousands of itinerary options to uncover hidden savings. By being flexible with your travel plans, you can often find cheaper flights for multi-city journeys. We'll demonstrate how to use AI for planning and booking multi-city trips. Occasionally, airlines publish error fares, mistakenly low prices due to technical glitches. AI-powered platforms monitor these anomalies and alert users when error fares appear. Acting quickly is crucial, as these deals are often corrected within hours. We'll explain how AI detects error fares and how you can capitalize on these rare opportunities. If you're flexible with your travel plans, AI tools can help you find last-minute deals that aren't advertised on mainstream platforms. These platforms scan for unsold seats and sudden price drops, alerting you to hidden bargains. Last-minute deals are ideal for spontaneous travelers looking to save money. We'll show you how to use AI for finding and booking last-minute flights. AI tools can help you maximize savings by analyzing loyalty programs and frequent flyer points. By identifying the best redemption options and hidden offers, AI ensures you get the most value from your memberships. Some platforms even alert you to bonus point promotions and exclusive deals. We'll discuss how to use AI to optimize loyalty program benefits for hidden flight prices. Students often qualify for special flight discounts, but these offers can be hard to find. AA-powered platforms scan for student fares and exclusive deals, ensuring you never miss out on savings. By automating the search, AI makes it easy to access hidden student discounts. We'll explain how to use AI to find and book student fares. Senior travelers may be eligible for special discounts, but these offers are often hidden. AI tools scan booking platforms and airline websites to identify senior fares and exclusive deals. By automating the process, AI ensures seniors can access the best prices without hassle. We'll show you how to use AI to find hidden senior discounts. Family travel can be expensive, but AI tools help by identifying hidden family fares and bundled deals. These platforms analyze multiple ticket combinations and recommend the best options for families. By automating the search, AI ensures you get the lowest prices for group travel. We'll explain how to use AI for booking family flights and maximizing savings. Some travel agencies use AI to negotiate exclusive deals with airlines. By partnering with these agencies, you can access fares that aren't available to the general public. AA-powered agencies monitor price changes and alert clients to hidden offers. We'll discuss how to leverage travel agencies and their AI tools for finding the lowest flight prices. Business travelers can benefit from AI tools that optimize corporate bookings and identify hidden business fares. These platforms analyze company travel policies, preferred airlines, and negotiated rates to find the best deals. By automating the booking process, AI ensures businesses save money on flights. We'll show you how to use AI for business travel and uncover hidden prices. Travel insurance can affect flight prices, especially when bundled with tickets. AI tools analyze insurance options and recommend the best bundles for savings. By comparing multiple providers, AI ensures you get the lowest overall cost. We'll explain how to use AI to optimize travel insurance and find hidden flight deals. Vacation packages often include flights, hotels, and activities. AI tools scan package deals to identify hidden savings and recommend the best options. By bundling services, you can access lower prices than booking separately. We'll show you how to use AI to find and book vacation packages with hidden flight deals. AI tools analyze travel trends to predict future price drops and identify hidden deals. By monitoring market shifts, airline strategies, and consumer behavior, AI helps you stay ahead of the curve. This insight allows you to plan trips when prices are lowest. We'll discuss how to use AI to track travel trends and find hidden flight prices. By harnessing the power of AI, you can uncover hidden flight prices and maximize your travel savings. From predictive alerts to flexible searches and exclusive deals, AI tools offer a range of strategies for finding the lowest fares. Start by exploring the platforms we've discussed, setting up personalized alerts, and experimenting with flexible dates and locations. With these techniques, you'll be well equipped to find deals that others miss. Safe travels and happy savings.